A customer is designing a multi-use project in Toronto, Canada. The goal is to have a 4-season outdoor amenity space. They are looking for the ideal placement of a cafe on the west podium. They want to have as long an outdoor season as possible. We begin the analysis with thermal comfort. Summer midday is warm on most of the levels, which is driven heavily by the sun. Movable sunscreens will offer the best solution here. Returning to thermal comfort, we look at the shoulder season. Fall looks generally comfortable in both the afternoon and the evening. Spring also looks good during the afternoon, but starts to get cold in the evenings. These conditions are driven by wind rather than solar. Looking at the wind data, we see the area is dominated by east and west winds. Wind comfort shows us that the winds are strongest at the top podium. Directional analysis shows that the lower levels are less impacted from the west, but we still see strong winds from the east. Taking a closer look at wind patterns, streamlines highlight the flows. We can determine that avoiding the upper podium would be best, and adding wind screens on the eastern edges will help the spring conditions on the lower levels. With this understanding of the wind patterns and thermal comfort, the designer was able to confidently establish that with some modest mitigations, the lower levels on the west tower can indeed offer an ideal place for a cafe that operates well into the shoulder seasons.